Group rides, they are a lot of fun, but at the same time they have their own disadvantages. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you the pros and cons of being in a group ride. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Sterling Bikers, where we have serious fun. Serious because we need to take care of our safety and at the same time have fun while riding the motorcycle. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the bell button so that you can get to know each and every time we release a new video. Let's talk about group rides. They are a lot of fun, and let's start with the pros. What are the advantages? Number one, you are able to connect with other bikers, people with the same interest, and we have a lot of fun. I think connecting with people that you share the same interest is a good thing. You are able to chat, you're able to have a lot of fun and support, physical support, while you are in a group ride. And the other advantage that is connected with being in that group of people with the same interest is that you are also able to learn a lot of things to do with motorcycles, to do with riding, how you maneuver in the streets. You also get to get 411, the information that you need to know about riding in your area. So you get to learn a lot. I am ashamed sometimes to confess this. The first time I went to my first group ride, I was still a newbie. And from the training courses, I heard that some bikes have chokes, some don't. And I looked at my bike and I thought, oh, mine doesn't have a choke. And until that time, we went for that group ride and one of the members just told me, oh no, your bike must have a choke. And he actually came and showed me where the choke was. So I was able to learn something about my bike that I didn't know. So you get to learn in this group rides. And I can also say you are able to increase your skill level. Now this goes hand in hand, especially when you surround yourself with people who are maybe have more skills than you, they have more experience than you, so you get to know how they do some stuff and you learn from them and you can be able to upscale your riding skills. Now let's go to the cons. And in the same way that you can be able to learn from others who have more experience, there is the negative side of it, whereby you get a lot of pressure or peer pressure to do some stuff that are way outside your skill level. So you might find yourself doing stuff that you wouldn't do when you're alone, and so it is up to you to ask yourself, am I comfortable doing this thing? Am I comfortable riding at these high speeds? Am I comfortable doing some maneuvers that I'm seeing these experienced guys doing? Avoid this peer pressure and do what is right for you. The saying is, ride your own ride. Of course, you would want to upscale, you would want to do some stuff that you want to try out, but of course considering your safety being the first thing. The other disadvantage about group rides is that if you are going somewhere, you will take longer on the group ride that you would if you were riding alone. I know the trip that we were going was from Nairobi to Limuru. We took over 1 hour. And it's because it was a group ride. We were moving at the pace of the slowest rider, but at the same time we were stopping to take some photos, to enjoy the scenery. So if you are in a hurry, don't try to get into a group ride to get wherever you're going. They are a bit slow, but it is fun. That is the reason why you joined it. And the other disadvantage is that in case of an accident, while you are in a group ride, it is more fatal, because you will tend to be bumping onto each other and it can get a little bit messy. So again, it's up to you to take care of your safety, maintain the safe distance, be in the right formation, and have a leader at least in the group so that you can know where you're moving or where you're going and they can be able to give you some directions. It's always important for you to take care of your safety and don't just do stuff because people are doing them. We are organizing a group ride together with Trees Bikers, whereby this Sunday, 1st of August, we will be going to Naivasha, and I thought it would be cool for me to give you some of the heads up whenever you are planning for a group ride get to know the advantages and disadvantages. If by the time you're watching this video and the group ride has already taken place, I will make sure to have a video about that, and you can see it either up here or I'll drop the link in the description below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. And until my next video, I'm out.